it running?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
All right, guys.
So we got the rocket. Take off the tape.
I'm gonna look up to the sky. How does the parachute come out?
This is still gonna be a couple minutes while we get it set up, okay? So we still have to attach the whole rocket launch system. Okay.
How does it go?
It's got a motor in it. It's gonna.
How does the motor make it go?
The motor is like it's gonna shoot fire out of the back. Okay. This is igniter. We're gonna pass a current, DC current, through to these two ends, and it's gonna burn the igniter, and the igniter will light the rocket. Now inside here there are some batteries. This is the launching system. We're almost ready. This has batteries. Okay, Jack, your job is to hold that. Just hold that right there, and stay still.
Next, may I hold it?
All we're doing is just unwinding it, babe. There's nothing much to
Babe!
do. Nothing much to do.
Sounds like you're grown up sad.
Okay, you kids stand back. You guys stand back now.
Stand back! Stand back! Stand back!
It's not ready to launch yet, but it's getting closer.
It's okay.
So far. Stand back so far. This can hit you. There are no trees around us. So it probably won't.
All right, that's good, Jack.
Don't want anybody to get hurt. Stop! Move back. Move back. Move back. Hold very still. Okay, hold very still.
Okay. It's connected.
Is it ready yet?
It's pretty close to being ready. All right. Kids, come over here. Come over here to me. Watch out for the orange cord. Watch out for the orange cord. Stand right there by the launch system. Okay. It's wired up. Safety cap is off. All right. Now you guys can help me with something. Lainey, come here. You're gonna push this. This is the safety key. Push that in until that light turns red. It's hard to do. I'll help you. Okay, the light is red. Jack, I'm gonna count down. When I count down, you push that button. Don't push it yet. Ready? Everyone ready? Hey guys, watch out. This is gonna launch. Heads up, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it hard. Push it hard. Oh, it's not working. Stop. Look at. All right, pause that. Okay. Are you rolling?
Yep,
lady?
I got it. We're on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, bummer. All right. It's just the rocket. That's where the rocket launched off the pad. Okay, take your hand off. It's dirty. Okay, so back up now.
Back up! Back up! Back up!
Watch the wires. Yep.
Okay. This time, no. This time, Mackenzie gets to push the button. I don't know if she's strong enough. She can try.
I can't see!
Okay, stay back. Let's see. I want Mommy to be able to see us. She's taking a video. Okay, you're gonna. When I say you're gonna push this button, but you wait till me to count down. Okay, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch, Mackenzie.
Whoa!
Wow! It hurt!
We can catch it. Catch it.
It's coming down quick. Woo!
I'm so close to catching it! Let's do it again!
Okay. All right. Cool. This time it's Lainey's turn to push the ignition button. Okay, you ready? Is everybody
Hold
ready?
on, hold on.
Step back a little bit. Step back a little bit.
Watch the rocket go.
All Alright, when it goes red, I'm gonna do the countdown. Okay, you guys ready?
Daddy,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's up.
You're never getting that dog.
No! No, it's so far.
Look at how high it is.
I have no idea where that is.
It's straight above us. It's straight above us.
Okay, there it is.
Drifting.
There it is.
Let's get it.
You can't
Well,
tell.
we're under it, but it's gonna drift.
Oh my gosh. That went so crazy far.
Where's it? Where's it?
It's up in the sky.
It's going in the trees, guys. I think it's going in the trees. Let's see. You might get it.
Edge. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, there it is.
It's falling a feet, falling a feet. Pew, pew, pew. It's falling a feet.
It's coming down fast.
It's falling a feet.
Jack, don't go out in the road. Oh. Oh no, it's going in the trees. Oh no, there it is.